Playground transformation ×2 at a city park. AAA State of Play transformed this rusty old playground with some very steep stairs into a climbing, crawling, hanging, hopping haven for safe play and imaginative exercise. Just down the road, same park. This creaky, rusting play space also morphed into an amazing playground for play, climbing, swinging, spinning, and music making. Our crews were there for every step of the way. Design, removal of the old, creating a new space, construction, and installation of poured-in-place safety surfacing. Let's take a closer look at both playgrounds. Memorial Park in Fortville, Indiana had aging, old-style playground equipment. Definitely time for a refresh, especially as this small suburban town is undergoing a huge growth spurt. It was no easy feat preparing the groundwork for a new play space in the same area. Once the old stuff was cleared, time for installation. This playground includes the main structure, called Twin Falls, an arch post swing set, a merry-go-round, and musical instruments. The other playground just up the road had an ancient climbing dome, maybe, 15th century? Our crew put in a power play fitness system, a multifaceted structure with all kinds of climbing. Posts and poles are mounted in ground. We're talking solid here, with precise measurements and craftsmanship. Both playgrounds have cushy and attractive poured-in-place safety surfacing. It's installed in steps. First, we start with a leveled surface and put in a 4-inch base of crushed stone. Then, expert crews prepare and spread a thick base layer called the buff. It's carefully spread and covered with sealant. Once it sets, the crew mixes and applies the top layer. It provides more padding and can be customized with colors and designs. Let's watch the kids test it out. Transformation mission accomplished. 2 new playgrounds, 1 city park. A double dose of fun, exercise, and adventure. It's the AAA way.